Making your first $100,000 may seem like an unobtainable goal to someone who's average, but chances are, if you're watching this YouTube channel, you have the drive and the desire to achieve massive wealth. All you need to do is find the right strategy and properly implement. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways on how you can make your first $100,000 online. Some of these business models are from personal experience that I've applied to reach over a $100,000 net worth myself. Keep in mind that you can't reach a $1 million business unless you reach a business that's making hundreds of thousands of dollars first. So I'll start off by saying that these models are great for making over 6 figures online, but because of their scalability, they aren't the best for making millions of dollars. Instead, use these examples to make a good amount of money and reinvest your profits into a model that you can grow to a multi-million dollar business. Now, for the first way to make $100,000 online is through drop shipping. Lots of you guys have heard of this one. It's a simple model. You look up online products, research and market them through Google Ads, Instagram, TikTok, either of these, and you have a third-party supplier actually store and ship your products. You're essentially just the middleman. You keep the profit margin and you never have to handle or deliver the product yourself. I've made thousands of dollars monthly through dropshipping, but currently there's a major flaw in the e-commerce space. With the recent rise of advertisement costs, profit margins are so small that you invest a ton of money into ads, and in the end, it doesn't even seem worth it. But here's where TikTok and other social media platforms have completely changed the game. You can create videos on these products and drive free traffic to your website. And if you get a couple of these videos that go viral, you are creating free advertising for your business. With the money you're saving on ads, your dropshipping margins will obviously increase. And if you're utilizing free advertising sources and you have another person storing and shipping your products, dropshipping is a very viable business model. It will take quite a few tries figuring out which products sell better than others, but this is where analytical websites like Google Trends come in handy. You can search some of the most popular items being searched for online and apply this information to your e-commerce business. I'm not going to sit here and say that this is easy. It definitely takes work, but if you're someone who's set on making their first 6 figures, dropshipping is definitely a feasible business model where you can make your first $100,000 online. The second way you can make your first $100,000 online is through affiliate marketing. You take an online product, program, or service, promote it, and get paid a percentage per sale. Companies like ClickBank and Amazon are some that have the largest affiliate marketing programs in the world. ClickBank is one of the more unique ones because you can do either one of 2 things. You can create your own products and list them, or you can skip the product creation step entirely and find other people's products to promote while taking a commission from each sale. With social media, you can create free online traffic to promote these products and turn them into affiliate sales. If there is a large enough demand for the product that you are promoting, then this makes it even easier for you to make money. The most recent example that comes to mind is Andrew Tate's Hustlers University course. His course is a simple affiliate marketing program. Andrew Tate was blowing up so quickly, and there was such high demand for his online presence that there was literally people making between $6,000 to $10,000 monthly by taking videos of online interviews or podcasts of him, clipping them and posting them on Instagram, TikTok, and every social media platform you can think of. Not only was it great for people who created content for him because they made a lot of money, but it was also great for Andrew Tate because he eventually went on to become the most Googled person online. Pick a program, product, or service that you are confident in or believe that other people can benefit from because it'll be easier to promote this product, and create content on a free traffic source to get eyeballs to your product and convert these into online sales. Next up is reselling sneakers. The sneaker resale market has continued to thrive over the past decade. There are teenagers making over $100,000 through selling sneakers online. Sneaker reselling is based on a concept that guides many other businesses: buy low and sell high. There are people out there paying anywhere from 3 to 10 times the price of retail on pairs of sneakers. If you were able to buy the Jordan 1 Fragment Travis Scott at retail, you would have spent only $200 for the shoe and are able to sell this for over $2,200 today. And this is just a moderate example. There are pairs of sneakers out there that retail for around $200 and can be sold upwards of almost $20,000. Sneaker reselling is a very lucrative business. If you were able to educate yourself and utilize online resources like nicekicks.com and StockX, you were able to see which sneakers are releasing every month. And if you put in the time and research to see which sneakers sell for a better profit margin, you will capitalize on this business model. It doesn't even need to be a super hype pair of sneakers either. It can just be a pair of Asics Gel Kayano 14. These running shoes retail for $180 and they resell for over $400. You would profit over a 100% gain from your original cost of purchasing these sneakers. Set the right systems in place to obtain these at retail, advertise them on free traffic sources like Instagram, and mark up the sneakers anywhere from 50 to 60% over retail. You can undeniably make a ton of money in the world of reselling. You'll probably never see me reselling sneakers on a level like Benjamin Kicks, but personally, I know people making over $20,000 monthly from reselling, so I've seen just how profitable of a business it can be. Number 4 on my list to make your first $100,000 is by becoming a prestige video editor. Ever since I was in high school, I picked up a camera and began learning how to properly take pictures. I learned the fundamentals of cinematography, and I learned editing programs such as Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects. Since then, this has been one of my very first business models that's helped me make a good source of income. When I was 18 years old, I was making anywhere between $100 to $200 an hour, filming, editing, and creating content for local clients' businesses. Companies are starting to see the power and the influence in video marketing. It's one of the best forms of advertisement. Video marketing is the future and will only continue to help a company's growth. Almost every online company and influencer has realized this, and they've started to hire heavy for video editors. YouTube channels like Nelk and MrBeast have been hiring full-time video editors and thumbnail creators to consistently put out high-quality content that keeps their audience engaged and keeps these channels consistently growing. Even individual influencers like Meet Kevin and Graham Stephan hire video editors to take clips from podcasts or interviews, clip them, and post them on Instagram Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. If you can become an editor for a high-impact business or an established creator and show them, hey, my video editing has retained this many viewers or produced this certain ROI, you can definitely set yourself apart from other video editors out there. If you were able to develop your skill set as a quality video editor, you can work from wherever or whenever you want. This is the ultimate freedom. Finally, for number 5, the one I believe to be the best way to make your first $100,000 is by becoming an online sales rep. This one might be the best, but it's definitely one that you'll need to work on. Sales is my personal favorite because it's the one that personally made me my first $100,000. If you want to make your first 100K quicker than I did, it's definitely important to become comfortable selling. Even if you've never sold anything before, it's a skill you can pick up relatively quickly so you can start making your first 6 figures annually and scale beyond that. In any type of sales, money just doesn't magically appear. People need to think that you are worth their time first. You need to create something. This comes down to creating value, a sense of urgency, online content, or a blend of the 3. Think of a niche that you are skilled in and create online value through this. If you are awesome in fitness, start by creating online content that actually helps people get to where they want to be. You can then create an online workout program and sell it to monetize your value. I know personal trainers that make over $30,000 a month by creating online value and turning these into actual service sales. If you're watching this video and you're thinking to yourself, well, what sets me apart from other sales representatives? Start by selling your value for half of what other sales reps are charging. Once you start hitting certain milestones in the amount of sales that you are making, increase your commission to match the value that you are providing. I hope you were able to take some value from this. These 5 ideas are just some surface level business models. Apply one of these and use it as a structure to find a business model that works for you. Hope you enjoyed, and till next time, later.